Yeah, family. So we're actually coming back from the market. Miss Jam to spot something that I never see before. It's a laundromat, Xpress laundry. And I was like, surprised to see that family. They have a washer and a dryer right there. And you actually go and actually wash your clothes. It's 20 shillings per kg.
For large volume.
For large volume.
And 9 kg for like the regular clothes.
The regular clothes.
Oh, this is nice.
Wow.
And then there's a dryer also.
Also there's a dryer.
And the dryer is there.
Wow. It's crazy. Let's see. Yeah? Wow. They have mobile smart charge. Oh, Kenya is not easy at all. Kenya develop, boy. Development. Have a mobile charging right here, family. Wow. So here we have also next to the laundromat, we have a mobile smart charge. 20 minutes. Wow. Only one in Kenya? Oh wow. So if I want to put up something like this, how much would it cost me? I want to like be a part of the franchise.
Part of the franchise. So usually we can give you the number to the
Okay.
people who can guide you.
Perfect.
Approximately 15 to 20.
15 to 20 for these three things?
No, it's a whole machine.
A whole machine?
Ship the whole thing, yes.
Oh, okay. So 15 to 20 million Kenyan shillings. Okay. But I love this idea. So, yeah, family, peace and love. This is Jam Tours Africa. I'm here. And on Cambridge Road, I was just passing by and I buck up in this. And I'm so excited because it's cheap. And, and it's just a good business opportunity and a good business plan. It's called Xpress Laundry. And this is the only one. Oh, but this is like a great idea because there's so much place that need this. So this is actually the laundry dryer killer. This is the laundry dryer killer. So every day you come here?
Yes. Every day.
Okay. So how does it work?
How does it work?
Yeah.
So we have the two loads, the 9 kg load and the 20 kg load.
Okay.
So we're gonna charge you per load.
Per load.
We're trying to, most people here charge per kg, per piece.
Yeah. That's very expensive. Yeah.
So we charge per load. The 9 kg load is 600 bucks.
And
the 20 kg load is 1,100 shillings.
Okay. Wow.
Now drying for 20 minutes is 200 shillings. For 40 minutes 400 shillings. For 60 minutes 600 shillings.
Oh wow. And then I can come and leave my clothes here?
Yeah, you can come leave and then pick it up later.
Okay. And you just pay everything via M-Pesa?
Yeah, you have to, yes.
And we have her to actually assist you with whatever challenge you need, whatever information you want to ask family. So yeah guys, this is exciting. And anything else people need to know about this service?
We do delivery, we do pick up and delivery.
Okay.
What else? The detergent is also included in the price. You don't have to bring your detergent or your softener. It's all down. Yeah.
Okay.
Also, you don't have to iron your clothes.
Okay.
They come out. The dryer is nice. You just come out. It doesn't crease.
Yeah, because I have a problem with that, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'll be your best customer because what about like duvet and stuff? Is there a separate price for that? Like duvet covers?
It's the
Same price?
Yeah,
per load.
Just
So, yeah. Okay, great. So what about like someone want to be affiliate? Like, I actually manage Airbnb, so I think like
looking for people who we have
deals for Airbnbs, hotels.
Yeah. You can reach out to us. We can give you the deal.
Okay, perfect. So how the delivery work? You guys will come and pick it up at my house?
Yes, you can come pick it up
Huh?
at your cost.
At your okay. I can have it delivered to you.
Yes.
Okay. So how long now this has been here?
This is our second month.
Second month. Wow. And I'm sure, you know, I mean, investors is coming in.
Lots of people are really interested in it.
Yeah. And I know people been crying and say you must come to other parts of, you know, I mean, Kenya, like in Westlands, all of these other places. Very soon.
Coming to those areas.
Yeah. So you have a lot of customer here? Not much? Fairly.
Customers
Mhm.
for our start.
For a start.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're looking for more.
Looking for more. You'll get more, man. This is like the dry cleaner them killer right now. And you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm excited about this deal. So it's Express Laundry. You guys on Instagram or social media?
Instagram, TikTok, everywhere.
TikTok.
Express Laundry.
Express Laundry.
Lingo.
Okay. All right, man. I'm really looking forward for you guys open up with more branches.
Yeah.
And this is the number, family, you can call if you want to actually, you know what I mean, for all of the foreigners who come in to Kenya. You might stay in an apartment for a little while, and you want to do your laundry. You know what I mean? This dry cleaner can be very expensive at times. So this is actually the cheapest way out right now, and it's very efficient.
30 minutes wash,
Mhm.
40 to 60 minutes dry.
Okay.
That's an hour, 30 minutes.
Mhm. You close already. Wow.
Folded also.
Okay, folded.
I love the folding for you.
Yeah. So what's you have there? What's that? Is that the same company?
That's another company. That's the batteries.
Okay, for electric car?
Bikes.
Bike.
Yeah.
Electric bike.
The company is called Mobility.
Okay. Wow. Okay, so they actually sell electric bike there.
Well, they don't sell the electric bikes.
Mhm.
So they're meant to sell the supposed to be a charging place.
Okay.
So you bring your battery, if it's over, you exchange to the fully charged one.
I'm reading. Okay.
That's the idea.
And you guys have video surveillance. So what time you close off?
Pardon?
What time you close?
Oh, we close at 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Yes.
Okay. And there's like surveillance to watch and see what is happening. Okay, nice. Yeah, man. What's your name? Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. And I hope this video maybe get a lot of customer to come and stuff. And you know, we're looking forward to have more. You can even pay with your card too or something.
Yeah.
So them have like Visa something here.
We've not really set it up yet.
Oh, because they have like Apple Pay, Google Pay.
Very soon we're going to set all this out.
Okay. Yeah. So for now is M-Pesa. All right. Thank you, Michelle. And I'm excited about this. Yeah, family. So you know, what I mean, I'm very excited about this. If I have that 20 million, I'll maybe invest in something like this. It's a good idea, and if you can actually come with an idea like this, it can be great because it's looking for the next big thing, family. So, yeah, family, I'm glad that I know about the service because you know, I'm into the real estate and property management business, so I can actually advise people actually to come, you know, where to get their actually, you know, their laundry done cheap and expensive, fast and quick. You know what I mean? Yeah. So what's your opinion, Miss Jam Tours?
Well, I'm waiting on you to tell me the more info.
Yeah, like, maybe I've watched the video, sweetie, because
Really
well, I think it's cool. It takes like an hour and 30 minutes for you to wash and dry. And
so
I
you
think
bring them, you wash them. She's the one.
she's the one who manages it. So you can they can have it delivered to here too, and she wash it and send it back at your own cost.
Okay.
And stuff.
She has a van like what the others are doing.
I think so.
Yeah,
I think so.
Because okay, I'm not trying to well, I don't know much. I'm very sure I'll watch the video. You'll tell me more.
Mhm.
But what I'm saying, what I like about these other places like here, or like now what we'll do with the carpet, as I was telling you, they have a van. They come pick and deliver.
Yeah.
So at the comfort of your house. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's still nice.
And this is
I
way
kinda
cheap
like
because
it.
I pay like $1,000 for one duvet. And they say you can put, if you have like all 10 duvet, just come with it and pay the one price.
Oh,
So if
because
a person
it's taking the full load. Like
full
20
load, yeah,
kg.
So if you have like a Airbnb, you can come here so you can wash your clothes
Put your
cheaper
sheets
and stuff.
And like everything is white.
it's white, yeah. All right, family. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope
The other two duvets, yeah.
when you come,
Put the two
and you're staying in your hotel or Airbnb or whatever, you need to wash your clothes. Express Laundry,
How much?
link them up.
How much
I
is
think
the
it-
two duvets? I mean,
Well,
the
it's
20 pages.
I think it's 1,001 is 600 or something like that.
Oh, that's so cheap.
It's so cheap. Yeah.
Because these are like this one here directly.
But maybe we can actually, instead of paying somebody to wash your clothes, we just bring them down here so sweetie and done.
Yeah.
Because most of
And
my
they're not
clothes,
even
them, you know what I mean?
Washing
You know what I
them
mean?
nicely and
We're gonna
stuff.
try, we're gonna try it
We'll
out,
try
family.
it.
We're gonna try it and tell you the experience.
Wait,
So
we'll make them
pile and then they bring them and see family. So Jam Tours Africa there. We're in Africa. We are sure that.
Especially I'm having I love doing my laundry. Because
Yeah.
I know how to take care of my clothes. But sometimes when you bring in these people to wash your stuff, or then the house managers we have, most of the time even if you teach them, they don't they want to use shortcuts.
Yeah.
They don't want to take their time to separate the bright clothes and the dull colored clothes, or
Yeah,
what
yeah,
to
yeah,
wash.
yeah.
Sometimes you even find, imagine there's a day I found one, the baby's clothes have been put and our clothes are on top of it.
Yeah.
So they don't know how to do this stuff, but if this will be a good deal, the better.
Yeah, family. So.
Because clothes is the only challenge when you have kids.
Yeah. And I'm sure maybe the unnecessary clothes them don't crease up. It actually, when it dry, it come out. You don't have to press it. That's our advantage. And she's folding them and
Oh,
thing.
this is nice.
All right, family. This is Jam
We'll
Tours
bring the small
Africa.
stuff we have.
Yeah, and we should.
I know there's a duvet that is dirty. When they were putting it's not really dirty. Actually, it wasn't even slippery. It's just that when they were putting the mosquito nets, the one from the high ceiling to the floor,
Yeah.
the drilling was, messed up the duvet.
Yeah.
So you can bring the duvet and the few clothes.
No, we should wait until we have everything. We have a full load.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, family. This is Jam Tours Africa coming to you live from Kenya,
Then what should we do this clothes?
obviously. And we show you the better side of Africa. Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and comment. One love. God bless. Jamaica. I'm out.
Hamish did some.
Hey boy, let me bust your butt, boy. Hold that.
Hamish has